Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to read vocabulary that we have to learn for our tenses. I'll give you 20 words that you have to prepare for your tenses. With the help of this vocabulary, you will practice your tenses. The first word in the vocabulary is to water the plants. पौधों को पानी देना. Second word is to examine. मुआयना करना. जैसा कि डॉक्टर करता है मरीज का. Third word is to set a trap. जाल बिछाना. To protest, एहतजाज करना. To learn by heart, ज़बानी याद करना. To look down upon the poor, गरीबों को हकारत की निगाह से देखना. To withdraw money, पैसा या रुपया निकलवाना, जैसा कि बैंक से निकलवाया जाता है. To cross, उबूर करना या पार करना. To post, डाक में डालना, यानी कि लेटर वगैरह भेजना. To live from hand to mouth, मुश्किल से गुज़र बसर करना. टू कंस्ट्रक्ट और बिल्ड, तामीर करना, जैसा कि बिल्डिंग्स को हाउसेस को कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जाता है. टू मिल्क, दूध दोहना, जैसे गाय भैंस बकरी का दूध दोहा जाता है. टू हेल, ओले पढ़ना. टू गिव सर्टिफिकेट्स, असनाद देना, जो सनद दी जाती है स्टूडेंट्स वगैरह को. टू टेक इंटरेस्ट, दिलचस्पी लेना. टू पार्टिसिपेट, शमूलियत इख्तियार करना या हिस्सा लेना किसी भी चीज़ में. टू ट्रैवल, सफ़र करना. टू रेज स्लोगन्स, नारे लगाना. टू हैंग, फांसी पर लटकाना. टू एग्री, इत्तेफाक करना. These are all the words that we have to prepare for tenses. The next task is from your book Oxford Progressive English. Here are word sentences from your unit number 1. The name of the unit is Elephant, and here I'll give you 10 words and you will construct sentences of your own for these 10 words. And the words are taken from your unit number 1, and I'll tell you the type of the word. For example, I'll tell you that what the word grammatically is, and I'll also show you the meaning of the word, and with the help of this material you will construct your own sentences. The first word in your word sentences is specific. Specific means clearly defined or identified, कोई मखसूस कोई ख़ास चीज़, and this is an adjective. Second word is abundance. It is a noun, a very large quantity of something, किसी चीज़ की बहुत ज़्यादा quantity. Lavishly, it is an adverb, in a very generous manner. Fourth word is illuminated. It is a verb. It means to light up, roshan karna, jalana. Soaring, it is an adjective, flying high in the air, hawa mein uncha udna. Next word is manic. Manic is an adjective showing wild excitement and energy. बहुत ज़्यादा excitement and energy, wild जिसको कहा जा सके वो show करना. Next is plod. Plod is a verb, walk slowly with heavy steps. Next word is frenetic. It is an adjective, fast and energetic in a wild way. Next word is hordes. Hordes is noun, a large group of people. The last word is unperturbed. It is an adjective. It means not concerned. These are all the words that you have to use in your sentences, and you have to make your own sentences for all these 10 words.